So whether we like it or not, Akeem Blake from Jamaica is definitely the sensation of the week. All over the world, people are now reacting to Akeem Blake blazing down the track in a Jamaican club relay. So what happened was this guy called Akeem Blake, he did a very magical backstretch. A backstretch that has never been seen for decades in Jamaica, right? That has caused a lot of reaction on social media, and almost all the athletics YouTube channel in Jamaica are actually reporting about this same particular event. Now, Akeem Blake used to be the moment. Jamaicans used to talk about Akeem Blake more than Kishane Thomson. In fact, he was one of their favorite back then. But you know, Jamaican are people that if you are no longer performing, if you're no longer giving them the drama, the speed, and you are not good enough, they are not going to talk about you, you know. But I'm finally happy to see Akeem Blake back. I'm finally happy to see him giving Jamaicans a run for their money, because now Jamaicans have made Kishane Thomson to be like their favorite, which is very sad. I mean, all the attention is now on Kishane Thomson. Even you know, the World Athletic 2025 is fast approaching, and Jamaicans' only hope right now is Kishane Thomson. I don't think they are rooting for any other sprinter out there. They are, or let me say, they might be rooting for others, but they will not root for others like the way they will put the energy, the effort to root for Kishane Thomson. Because we do not forget that we also have Oblique Civil, and he is very much more he is very good. And although last year in the Paris Olympic, Oblique Civil, he had a very disastrous moment. He came last position. I don't know what happened to him. But looking at Kishane Thomson, that's why I said Kishane Thomson is their only hope. Kishane Thomson is like the person they kind of trust the most. Kishane Thomson is like their beloved, their messiah that has been given to them. Guys, whether we like it or not, Jamaican trusts Kishane Thomson to be their messiah in this year 2025 World Athletic. But let me hear your opinion.